the most common questions I get asked. Why is the osprey your favorite bird to photograph a video? This video is the perfect example of why. Ospreys never give up. Ever. They, like many other creatures on this wonderful planet, continue their lives no matter how many insurmountable obstacles are thrown in their path. They don't complain. They shake it off and try again and again and again until they succeed. That's such a powerful lesson to learn.